Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online using Midjourney, and you will be creating videos from the photos that you have from Midjourney. There's other tools that I'm going to introduce you as well, but definitely if you do this right, you have the potential to make a lot of money doing this. And this does not require any skill, any experience whatsoever. So just follow my instructions. You'll be able to figure out your own style in doing these things, okay? Before we begin, I would... Okay, so the first way, or actually the way for you to make money online here is by making a video from an image made by Midjourney. Now, for those of you that do not know, Midjourney is a very powerful AI tool. It allows you to create complex image like this, okay? All with text. These are all coming from text, and the AI is doing its thing to formulate an image based on the prompts or the text that you have given to it. So for instance, this image, okay, the AI was able to generate this image based on this text or based on this prompt. Okay, same thing here. This image, what they input is New York City from street view, breathtakingly beautiful, harmonious design, limited color palette, and so on. And this is the image that was generated. Okay, so you can there's no limits on your imagination when it comes to creating image. So how do you make money from this images? Now what we will be using are the photos, and we will be using that photos to create a video avatar, okay, explaining things. So how do you generate money from doing that? If you go to Fiverr, okay, you search avatar, there are a lot of freelancers, 6,000 plus, offering an avatar creation. Okay, I will draw a cartoon avatar from photo and so on. You can make this a similar gig, use Midjourney to do that, but there's something even better. So if you click here, explainer, okay, if you search in Fiverr explainer, okay, it shows here that there's a lot of gigs offered by freelancers, and what they're offering is that they are making a custom explainer video, okay, whether it's a 2D animated video, a custom avatar explaining things, and so on. So your target here are individuals or business that are looking for a video explaining how their business works and so on. Okay, so there's other ways for you to generate money from this, but this is just one of so many ways. You can use an avatar explainer, okay, to offer some service. Okay, if you're a freelancer, or if you're working on an agency, or if you own an agency, you can offer a service wherein you are creating AI avatars, AI talking avatars, and others will pay for that service. You can create and sell AI avatars as digital products, okay, and then sell it here in these platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and so on. You can even integrate that AI avatars into your websites if you have any, if you have your own app, if you have your own software, and then charge the clients or the customers whenever they use that avatar. Okay, you can improve customer engagement by making that avatar, making it more personalized, and there's been proven data, okay, backing it up. If you will be, putting a personalized message to whenever the customers was onboarded on your software or in your program, they have a lot way better engagement and participation coming from those customers that have received those personalized message. So how are we going to do that? How are we going to make those avatars? We will be using this particular tool called DID, D-ID. So what this does is it allows you to generate an AI talking avatar from photos or from images. So remember, we can generate an image from Midjourney. We can use those image and then upload it here in DID, and DID will be able to generate that image and make it like a talking avatar. So for instance, if you click create video, okay, here are two images that I've generated and uploaded. They have default like this one, okay. They are the one who will be doing the explaining and so on, okay, whatever business or whatever, okay, the client has requested, you can do that. You can select those avatars. Now this avatar is something that I have generated from Midjourney. So if you go to Midjourney, this is the one that I've generated. You can generate your own. Okay, so I can use this image, upload it here in DID, and then they will be using this image to explain the message or the whatever business copy that I want to have that avatar talk about. Okay, another way is if you don't like using like a Midjourney AI kind of photos, you can use another website. Okay, this is the image that I've generated using the website, and that website is called This Person Does Not Exist. So this website, all you have to do here is go to this website and it will generate you an image of a person that does not exist. Okay, all of this image are generated by an AI called GAN, Generative Adversarial Network. Okay, so it generates image based on a person that does not exist. So you can use that image. So just, refresh, it will generate its own image. Okay, something like that. So when you're satisfied with the image that you want to use as like a talking avatar, you can do that. Okay, and then upload it here in the dash ID. So for instance, we will be using the image that we made from Midjourney. All you have to do is to upload that image, and then on the right side, you paste in the script that you want this avatar to talk about. So in this case, we will be using ChatGPT. So I've asked ChatGPT, write me a 1-paragraph script for an introduction about how to make money online using Forex or through Forex trading. So we'll copy this one, okay, just to make it, easily. Okay, let's just cut it short. Okay, so this one. Now, if this even has a function to click this, continue your text using AI. So D-ID will generate an entire several, paragraphs and text related to the initial text that you have put in. Okay, it's a very amazing tool. Okay, and it has a language, different accents and so on, different voices, whether it's a female, male, and so on. You just decide, and then different styles, whether it's an assistant, cheerful, let's pick cheerful. Okay, so that's it. So the next thing is that we have the avatar available, we have the image or the script, we have this figured out. So what we'll do is we will click generate video. So here, if you can go to their website, you have like 20 left credits, okay, 20 free credits. So you click generate. I believe if you're using still the free trial, it has this watermark, but if you go to their premium plan, it will not be, the watermark is not there. So just click generate and then just wait for it to finish. Okay, so just wait for the video to finish, and then here we go. So this is the result. Now we'll see what this software is capable of. So let's just click play.
Welcome to the exciting world of Forex trading. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is a global market where individuals, corporations, and institutions can trade currencies.
Okay, so that's amazing on its own. Now we'll use the other avatar now. So if you click close here, click create video, and then let's change the avatar into here, and then just use the same script. Okay, let's say let's use a different style, like customer service, let's say. Okay, and then click generate video. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so just wait for it to finish again, and there we go. So we'll play it now.
Forex trading. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is a global market where individuals, corporations, and institutions can trade currencies. With the advent of technology and the internet, Forex trading has become increasingly
Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's kind of creepy, to be honest. But anyways, so yeah, so that's the point of this video. So you can generate videos, avatar talking image, explainer videos using the ID. So what, as for now, on its own, okay, it will be a great addition if you will just be using that and then add it to to a better, longer video. Depends on the client's preference, depends on your customer's needs. Okay, but then again, it is a very powerful tool. I believe it's still being updated and developed as we speak, and then you can definitely use it, monetize it the way you want. Okay, depending, it really depends on how you strategize, how you plan out things so that you can make more money using that, using the resources that I have shown you. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.